Speaker, may alleged sex video. Play mo ba yun sa committee?
Well, para sa akin, wala naman sigurong diferensya na ipanood yan para malaman ng tao kung talagang totoo yan o hindi.
But sir, will
Konektado pa ho ba yan sa hearing?
Well, kung kinakailangan dahil para yun ang mag-uugnay, kung talagang merong personal relationship, kung ayaw naman ni Senator De Lima na mag-appear dito sa House of Representatives, so let the people, let the public judge kung talagang totoo yung videotape na yan, yung sex videotape na yan o hindi.
Sir, is there
Walang
really a
lalabaging
need to do
batas
that?
ng kapag
Isn't that
nila yung
private?
video, sir.
Walang lalabaging batas. We are doing this in aid of legislation.
Sir, but isn't that a form of...
Napanood niyo na
treated
ba,
as a form of slut shaming, sir?
Ano?
It could be treated as a form of slut shaming, the senator, if you're going to...
No, of course not. Of course not. Well, she is denying that she is the one involved in that sex video. So kung magdi-deny ka, abay, humarap ka rito. At sabihin mo na, hindi ako yan. Di ba? Ngayon, kung ayaw mo mag-deny, let the people judge kung talagang hindi siya yun. I think fair lang naman yun. Di ba? Oh.
Kayo po, Speaker, napanood niyo na po.
Hindi pa. At saka ayaw kong panoorin.
Bakit papalabas niyo, boss?
Oo nga.
Ipapalabas natin, hindi dahil na gusto nating panoorin.
Okay.
Ini-establish lang natin yung katotohanan kung talagang may relasyon o wala.